You just changed your oil, but here's something most drivers don't realize. That moment right after an oil change is actually the most important part of keeping your engine healthy. Because many issues, like small leaks, incorrect levels, or hidden installation mistakes, only show up after the engine starts running. And if you ignore them, even fresh oil won't save you from long-term damage. The good news? A few quick checks can make sure everything is working perfectly. They take only minutes, but they can protect your engine for years. Think of it as the final step that separates a normal oil change from a smart one. Now let's get into the essential things you should always do after an oil change. Number 1, check the oil level again. Most people think the job is done the moment fresh oil goes into the engine, but one of the most important steps actually comes afterward. After an oil change, the new oil filter fills up with oil, which can slightly lower the oil level inside the engine. That's why checking the oil level again is a smart habit that many drivers skip. Start the engine and let it run for about a minute so the oil can circulate through the entire system. Then shut it off and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle back into the oil pan. Now check the dipstick and make sure the level is exactly where it should be. Running with too little oil can reduce lubrication and accelerate engine wear, while too much oil can create excess pressure and cause its own set of problems. The best part is that this simple check takes less than a minute, yet it can prevent costly mistakes and give you peace of mind. When it comes to protecting your engine, never assume, always verify.
Number 2, inspect for leaks. Fresh oil can only protect your engine if it stays inside the engine. That's why inspecting for leaks immediately after an oil change is one of the smartest habits you can develop. A loose drain plug, a damaged gasket, or an improperly installed oil filter can allow oil to slowly escape without you noticing. At first, it may seem like just a few drops, but even a small leak can quickly turn into a serious problem if left unchecked. After changing the oil, take a few moments to look underneath the vehicle and around the oil filter and drain plug areas. Watch for fresh oil spots, wet surfaces, or any signs of seepage. Catching a leak early is far easier and much cheaper than dealing with an engine running low on oil. It only takes a couple of minutes, but that quick inspection can save you from costly repairs and give you confidence that your engine is fully protected. Number 3, reset the oil life monitor correctly. You might think the oil change is finished once fresh oil is in the engine, but there's one final step that many drivers forget: resetting the oil life monitor. Modern vehicles use this system to track engine operating conditions and calculate when the next oil change is needed. If you forget to reset it, your car continues using data from the old oil, which means the maintenance reminders will be completely inaccurate. That can lead to confusion, unnecessary warnings, or even cause you to miss the correct service interval later on. The good news is that resetting the oil life monitor usually takes less than a minute, yet it ensures your vehicle starts tracking from a fresh baseline. Think of it as telling your car, the maintenance is done. Start counting from 0. It's a small step, but it keeps your service schedule accurate and helps you stay on top of one of the most important aspects of engine care. Number 4, watch for warning lights. Your dashboard warning lights are more than just symbols. They're your car's way of telling you when something isn't right. After an oil change, it's especially important to keep an eye on the dashboard and watch for any warning lights that appear unexpectedly. A check engine light, oil pressure warning, or any other alert could indicate a problem that needs immediate attention, such as low oil pressure, a leak, or a sensor issue. The mistake many drivers make is assuming everything is fine because the oil was just changed. In reality, some of the most serious engine problems start with a small warning light that gets ignored. Catching an issue early can mean the difference between a quick fix and a costly repair bill. That's why you should pay close attention during your first few drives after an oil change. Your dashboard is constantly monitoring your vehicle, so when it lights up, don't ignore the message. Number 5, monitor fuel economy. Most drivers pay attention to warning lights, but your fuel economy can be just as important when it comes to monitoring engine health. After an oil change, take note of how many miles you're getting from each tank of fuel. Fresh oil helps reduce friction inside the engine, which often improves efficiency and allows the engine to run more smoothly. If you suddenly notice that you're visiting the gas station more often than usual, it could be an early sign that something isn't working properly. Problems like dirty air filters, failing sensors, fuel system issues, or other hidden engine inefficiencies often reveal themselves through declining fuel economy long before a warning light appears on the dashboard. That's why tracking your mileage is such a valuable habit. Your fuel gauge is constantly providing clues about how efficiently your engine is operating. Pay attention to those changes, and you may catch a small problem before it turns into an expensive repair. Number 6. Check other fluids while you're there. An oil change is more than just a chance to protect your engine. It's the perfect opportunity to check the overall health of your vehicle. Since the hood is already open, take a few extra minutes to inspect the other critical fluids that keep your car running smoothly. Coolant protects the engine from overheating. Brake fluid ensures safe stopping power. Transmission fluid keeps gear changes smooth. And power steering fluid helps maintain effortless steering. If any of these fluids are low, dirty, or contaminated, they can lead to expensive repairs and unexpected breakdowns down the road. The reality is that many major mechanical failures begin with a simple fluid issue that went unnoticed for months. By making fluid checks part of your oil change routine, you can spot small problems before they become costly disasters. Think of it as giving your car a complete health checkup instead of focusing on just one component. A few extra minutes today can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in future repairs. Number 7. Inspect engine bay for anything unusual. Before you close the hood and call the job finished, take a moment to look around the engine bay. This simple habit can reveal problems that most drivers never notice until they become expensive repairs. Look for anything unusual: loose hoses, cracked belts, damaged wiring, fluid stains, or components that seem out of place. Many engine issues give subtle warning signs long before they cause a breakdown, and a quick visual inspection is often enough to catch them early. You don't need to be a mechanic to spot something that looks wrong. In fact, some of the costliest repairs could have been prevented if the warning signs had been noticed sooner. Think of it as giving your engine a quick health check while everything is easily accessible. It only takes a few minutes, but that simple inspection could save you from a roadside breakdown and a massive repair bill later on. That's all for the video. Changing your oil is important, but what you do afterward can make an even bigger difference. These simple habits help catch problems early. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more car maintenance tips. See you in the next video.